Okay, so I soaked my doll less than I thought I would, but for a couple hours. And I had put goop on her, yes, the goop that mechanics used. And I let that soak, and now I am using a dry wash rag and Q-tips to clean her up. And in a few minutes I will wash her hair, use some magic eraser on the forehead area, and then there's a spot on her foot. And we're going to try the magic eraser on that, and then we'll get some more photos for you. I'm doing this, and then I'll probably give her a, what are they called? Spit bath, hospital bath. I'm trying to say it nice. Thank you.